Cheers, Vincent. Hello. Bye. Where you want to sit? I think we should sit in the back. We can get a chance to see everywhere, right?
No, they got seats.
And we can stand up. We can stand up.
So we can get to see.
Yes, go in the back, yeah.
Here.
It doesn't matter. Okay, let me go in. What is that?
This hallway. You gotta take it out. To get a charm for Thomas. But we didn't look. Still had a cookie, right?
Oh, nice. It's paradise. This island is beautiful. Virgin Island is nice. Leaving St. Thomas, the Virgin Island, heading back to St. Thomas. Leaving St. John, going back to St. Thomas. Virgin Islands, nice. Thank you.
That's it to you.
Okay, I check it.
Okay.
Virgin Islands, nice.
Taxi.
Sandy, she's over there. Let's.
One course to the next. Yeah, man. All right, you went. Okay. All right, love.
Miss, we're going with you. We're going with you. You going back where you came from? Oh, okay.
The taxi, no, you understand?
Okay. Will we go the same way with you?
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much.